Good afternoon. My name is Alex Gebauer. I work for Allianz Real Estate, one of the large institutional investors and asset managers in the real estate space worldwide. I want you to meet Basking. Basking from Berlin, represented here on stage by the CEO and founder Eldar Gizzatov in a minute, work on something completely different. They work on occupation analytics. That's a complicated word, especially for people who work in real estate. Occupation analytics is, and Eldar will explain to you what it is very exciting because it may help us find the piece of the puzzle that has been missing for so long. That piece of the puzzle that explains to us how the buildings that we own and that we let are actually being used. For me, it's the second venture that I accompany Eldar with as a mentor. So as a very proud mentor and as a happy client, I'd like you to meet Eldar Gizzatov.
Hey, this that Eastside Johnny Big Redemption like. Know what I'm talking about? Hold up. Whoa, 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 whoa. Get out the way, get out the way,
Thank you. Hi everyone, my name is Eldar. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Basking Automation. We're using artificial intelligence and real-time data to help customers to understand how their offices are being used. Today, most companies are struggling to adapt to their employees' needs as they shift to a more flexible workplace culture. In fact, according to a recent study, up to 40% of leased office space is unoccupied on a typical weekday. 40% unoccupied. This translates to more than $210 billion a year wasted in real estate costs in the US alone. But companies cannot just cut 40% of their footprint to meet this new market reality. Decisions around office space impact the culture, productivity, and collaboration among the employees. And real estate managers can't tell how much space is required to meet the needs of the staff and how these needs will evolve over time. They don't have a simple, cost-efficient way to tell how people are using their offices. And that's where Basking comes in. We're using the existing Wi-Fi infrastructure and data science to help customers to understand how their locations are utilized on a portfolio level, how many people are using their spaces, and how different teams interact with each other. Our solution can be deployed in hundreds of buildings in just minutes. It is affordable at a large scale, and most importantly, it protects the employee's privacy. Let me show you how it works through one of our clients. Karen, a real estate manager at a multinational company, is in charge of portfolio strategy and workplace allocation. She has a flexible office policy in place, but she can't tell how many people are actually showing up. Well, luckily, she turned to Basking. Setting up the connection to our web application is very simple. It takes Karen and her team just a few minutes, and now Basking starts securely receiving the data via the API. So Karen has access now to real-time dashboards and analytics. She can review the space utilization metrics across her portfolio and zero in on the location that requires her attention the most. For instance, the San Francisco office has a higher cost savings potential due to the combination of high rent and low occupancy. And now Karen can dig deeper into the details of this building, and using our machine learning algorithms, we can show Karen which areas are used less and how different teams are utilizing their spaces. Knowing that this lease will expire soon, Karen can start working on this opportunity ahead of time, together with her broker. And she can find the next office for this team, optimizing for collaboration. This will save company more than $1 million in real estate costs and create a more productive workplace. So it's not just data, but actionable insights that drive towards Karen's KPIs and make her successful at her job. And Karen is not the only one. When we look at our market, we see more than 4 million office buildings with multiple corporate tenants in the US and Europe. In the US and Europe. And we see the combined opportunity of more than $37 billion. To acquire this market, we are making adoption easy for our customers, charging a monthly subscription fee of $700 for a location, and we see 20% of our customers upgrading over time to more advanced packages. And we see our approach paying off already. Over the past 3 months, we have launched our pilots with some of the top corporate tenants and co-working operators in more than 30 cities worldwide, including Toronto, New York, San Francisco, London, and Berlin. Thank you. Thank you. And combined, this is an opportunity of more than 3,000 buildings for us. To serve these locations efficiently and securely, we have been certified as a technical partner by Cisco Meraki. And there is more. We have found an amazing channel in working with our workplace solutions partners. And today, I'm so excited to announce that together with Colliers, we are rolling out Basking to their customers internationally. Thank you. Yeah. This is a team effort, and as a second-time startup founder, I know how important it is to have a strong and balanced team. And we have an amazing team with complementing skills in data analytics, software engineering, product management, marketing, and sales. And experience of working at top companies like Bombardier and Autodesk. And this team has already raised seed funding round from Energy Ventures last year. And we're on track to raise a new round next year. With this capital, we're building our occupancy analytics platform as a first step in fulfilling our vision, enabling self-managed buildings, able to autonomously adapt to people and business needs in real time. As a fast-growing company, we're always looking for new customers. So if you're interested in learning how people are using your offices in real time, please sign up at basking.io and get access to this powerful platform. Or come talk to us about how you can be a part of this change. Thank you.